Chronic pain is a beautiful opportunity to train your body differently. Notice what's around, breathe in the information, breathe in the smells. Relax your shoulders. Loosen up. Think about how a little kid walks around. Like, they're not thinking about walking the right way. They're just this little like bump on a log that's like somehow floating through life. So what you're gonna do for like 30 seconds or so is you're gonna take your partner and you're just gonna kind of roll back and forth. This is gonna move all the different muscles in their body without them having to work to move them, and it will start to pump blood through those areas, okay? Let's move. Sacrum in the shoulders. Therapeutic touch and supportive touch and comforting touch and like all these different ways that people interact. So we're just building different ways to interact physically that don't have to be intimate, sexual, violent, competitive, or anything like that. It's just connection. Exhale to relax. Don't exhale to cope. Exhale to relax. There's an indicator of age that's nowadays a big thing. How many appendages you need to get up off the ground is some indication of how old your body is. If you're on the ground and you're like, ugh. You know, that's an indication that your body is not fully like autonomous.